Today we're going to be making some Buenos nachos, and the first step to doing so is cutting your red pepper into strips and then cubing them to like 1/4 size. So that way you have some small little squares of pepper. And you're going to want to, out of the pepper you cut, you want to measure out 1/2 cup of red peppers into a measuring cup so that way you can pour them into a bowl. After that, you're going to want to get your rinsed off black beans and do 2 tablespoons of black beans into the bowl as well. And once that is done, you want to get your pico de gallo, which is pre-bought, already made, or you can make it yourself. You want 2 tablespoons of that as well.
If you make it yourself at home, you are going to want to use tomato, cilantro, onion, and jalapenos.
You're going to also want to add some avocado, which would be 1/8 of an avocado, which we have already cut, but you're just going to pour it in the bowl as well with the pico de gallo, the beans, and the red peppers. Once you've done all that, you're going to want to get a fork and a spoon and try to mash all this together. Afterwards, you're going to want to add a pinch of salt and as well as a pinch of pepper. And mix it once again. You're going to need a teaspoon of lime juice. And then now you're going to want to put them onto your chips, which we have tortilla chips for this. Take about a spoonful of it, it's a good size, and pour it into the chip like so. Once that is done, you can add some cheese to the top of it. Just a pinch of cheese should do. And you can put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds, that way the cheese gets melted. And now you're going to want to garnish on top with a leaf of cilantro on each one, just to add some extra flavor to it. And then after that, it will be ready to eat. Very delicious.
It's amazing.